Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I and my Ansari neighbor who belonged to Banu Umayyah lived at Awali near Medina Munawwara, and we would go to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam by turns. One day he used to go, and on the other day I used to go. When I went there, I would bring him the news of the revelation and other things of that day, and when he went, he used to do the same. Once my Ansari friend went there on his turn. When he came back, Irfan, he violently knocked at my door and said, Is he there? I came out to him embarrassed. He said, Some worst calamity has befallen. So I went to Hafsa and found her weeping. I said, Has Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam divorced you, his all august wives? She replied, I do not know. Then I went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted standing. Have you divorced your wives? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, No. So I said, Allahu Akbar, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 89.